That's nasty.
This is a no. I'm gonna give this a 3. Baby, this might get a -3. This is not for me. Like, do not order me this.
Pee-wee!
Do your thing, don't move around. You know I ain't sticking around, cause you ain't fucking with a rookie. Baby, I seen it all, the game ain't new to me. And I do what I got to let you know you ain't fucking with a rookie. Baby, I seen it all, the game ain't new to me.
What's up, Renee Hittas? It's your girl, Renee, and we're back with another video. If this is your first time seeing my face, my name is Renee. We do beauty, we do vlogs, we do hauls, we do lifestyle, we do fashion, we do all of that. But as you can tell by today's title, we are going to Starbucks and we're ordering 6 different types of matchas, and we're gonna see which one tastes the best, because TikTok be inspiring your girl, and you know they got that girl, clean girl aesthetics going on, and with all of them you need your matcha green tea. So everyone can't make no matcha. I can't make a matcha, you probably can't make a matcha. We finna go to Starbucks and they're about to make our matcha, and we're gonna see which kind tastes the best. Aiden might pull up in the back. If y'all don't know, this is Aiden, my little son, and he might taste it along with us. So, are y'all ready? Let's go. You ready?
Yes.
Okay, which one we got first? You gonna tell him hey?
Hey.
You gotta wave to him.
Hey.
Wave to him.
Hey.
Say hey.
Hey.
Okay. So the first one we are going to try is the Grande Ice Latte with matcha, 2 pumps of brown sugar syrup. You want to taste it first? Maybe we need a straw, huh? Let's get a straw. You think it's gonna be good or nasty?
Good.
You think it's gonna be good?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Bitch, I'm
Why are you looking like that? It's nasty? It's good? It's nasty?
Yes.
Oh, he said it's nasty. Let me try this one. It's not.
It's good?
It tastes like a graham cracker. You want to taste it again? This not it. This not the one. It's not nasty. It's not. It's tolerable. You can definitely drink it. It definitely tastes like a graham cracker. So if you like graham crackers, you will enjoy this one. Out of a 10, I would probably get this a 6. I gotta be hungry to like want to drink this one.
I want to be so bunny.
Want to try the next one? Okay, so this one is the Grande Ice Matcha Latte with vanilla, cold foam or sweet cold foam, oat milk, 2 pumps of chai.
Wow.
Here, you want to taste it?
Can you play that again?
You like that one? No, this not it either. I like this one. It's good. Why are you making that face? Here, taste a little more.
No.
Well, so what you gonna give this one? Out of 10. 1 to 10. Would you rate this?
Wish.
Huh?
Wish.
No, out of a 1 to 10. What you gonna give this? Huh, Aiden? Don't do that. No. What you gonna give this? A 4?
No.
A 10? It's good or it's nasty? Huh? Aiden, is it good?
No.
It's nasty?
Yes.
They can't see your little handsome face. It's nasty? It's good? It's nasty? Yeah, he said this one is nasty to him. However, I like this one. It has a bit of a little spice. Stop that, buddy.
Stop it.
It has a little bit of a spice to it. So if you don't want a little spice to it, probably it might be the chai. Don't get the chai in it, or maybe don't get 2 pumps of it. But I think I'll give this one. I'll give this one like a 7.5. Honestly, yeah, I'll give this a 7.5. I'll order that one again. I'll definitely order that one again. Let's move on, buddy.
I want it.
This is a different one. Okay, so this one is the grande iced latte, matcha latte with vanilla, sweet cold foam, oat milk, and 2 pumps of vanilla. You want to taste it first, or you want me to taste it first?
No.
This is different. Here,
Mom.
it's a different one. You see, I pulled it from right here. Y'all, he think it's all the same now. Look, I got this one from right here.
No.
Look, I'll taste it. This one's good. Here, taste it. You gotta drink it.
That's nasty.
Aiden, is all of them nasty? I like this one.
No.
Yeah, this one tastes better than, thus far, this one tastes better than all of them. Yeah, I like this one. This one don't have that little spicy taste that hits you in the back of your throat. So I really like this one.
Good.
I like this one.
No.
Yeah, I'll give this one a 9. I'll give this one 9 because it's not that sweet, but it's sweet enough. This is the grande matcha iced latte with oat milk. Buddy, can you chill real quick?
No.
With oat milk and...
Yes.
Okay, y'all, so the next one is
this.
Okay. It's the grande iced matcha latte with oat milk, 2 pumps of toffee, nut syrup. I think it's toffee. But a lot of people be talking about this when they say toffee or toffee, whatever it is, they say it's really good. So we're going to try it and see.
I got this. Ow. That's nasty.
You taste it.
Nope.
Here, try it. Try a little.
That's nasty.
Try a little bit.
That's nasty.
Here.
That's nasty.
But just try just a little. Please.
No.
Please.
No.
I'll drink it with you.
No.
I'll give you some candy. Okay, try a little. Come on. Come on, this is a different one, buddy. We haven't tried this one yet. You like that one?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes, you do.
I don't like this one. This is nasty. You like this one?
No.
You think this one's good? This one, baby, this tastes like popcorn in a cup. I'm not. No.
Yes, you do.
This, no. I'm sorry. This not for me. Like, this one, I would not order. You like this one? I'm gonna give this one to him since he likes it so much. This is a no. I'm gonna give this a 3. Baby, this might get a -3. This is not for me. Like, do not order me this. What is this? Let me make sure. So for all my friends out there, do not order me no matcha with oat milk and 2 pumps of toffee nuts. I don't like that. Yeah, I don't like that.
That's nasty.
Yeah, this one is disgusting. Can you say disgusting?
Disgusting.
Yes, absolutely. It's a no for me. Aiden likes this one though, so I mean,
I know.
this one just looks dirty. Child. Okay, so this one is the matcha ice latte.
Matcha is the matcha chocolate.
Yes, this one do have strawberry. You can read.
No.
Well, you just read that it has strawberries. Well, this is the grande iced matcha latte with oat milk, strawberry puree, and it is ice.
That's ice? I'm not.
Yo, it just looks dirty.
That's dirty?
Let's get a new straw.
That's yours? That's yours?
Oh man, I'm gonna rip this straw to shreds, buddy.
That's grass.
Is this grass?
No.
No, this isn't grass. Here, taste it.
That's nasty.
I'm not gonna lie, I don't like this one either. A lot of people talk like good about this one. I don't like this one either. Like, this is, oh no.
I'm gonna this.
You want some more? He don't even like this one. We gonna get this one.
That's just nasty.
Yeah, this one is very much nasty. I'm not.
That's dirty.
You want some more?
No, that's nasty.
It's nasty.
Yes.
And what else? This dirty?
Dirty.
What?
Bed?
Okay.
I love big bees. Nice bees.
Okay, so the last one that we have is the grande ice matcha latte with vanilla, sweet cold foam, oat milk, and 1 pump toffee nut syrup.
Ow.
And 1 pump of white mocha.
I turned it off. Aiden turned it off.
Here, taste this one. You gotta sit up so they can see your little handsome face.
No. No. I just
Here, taste it.
I got birds and ants and the bees and the flies.
Aiden, are you gonna taste it? You like this one? This one's good, huh?
Yes.
Yes. So I like this one. This one's a 10 out of 10. Say it's a 10. Say it's a 10.
10.
Yes. This one is the one, y'all. This one beats all of them by far. Aiden has 2 of them that he likes, which is the one with the toffee. So I think he just likes the toffee. But I didn't like the one with just the toffee. It tastes like popcorn. No, actually the strawberry puree, the least favorite. The absolute. Sir, can I have some, please?
Welcome to the video.
Welcome to the video. How you liking your matcha so far? Do you like your matcha?
No.
You don't like matcha? You think they should just chill with the it girl and that girl?
Dad, no. That's this one that goes.
Yeah, say you beautiful just the way you are.
I'm way back.
No, tell them, say you're beautiful. No, say you're beautiful.
No.
You gotta tell them, say you're beautiful.
No.
Tell them, say you're pretty. Say you're pretty.
No.
You gonna be rude to them?
Yes.
Why you wanna be rude to the people?
Be poo.
No, don't push that, buddy. You don't want to tell them you're beautiful? Can you say it? Can you say you're beautiful just the way you are?
Beep.
Don't push that. He really wants to, y'all. He's really not rude. He really is a gentleman. Say, I'm a gentleman.
No.
So you not a gentleman?
No. I ate it.
Oh, you Aiden?
Yes.
What?
I got birds in a top bird's nose.
Yeah, but don't you want to be nice to the ladies?
No.
But you a ladies man.
No.
No.
I got an X.
You got an X.
I ate X.
Ants? Oh, okay. You ready? You ready?
No.
Come on.
I'm not wise and a secret.
You're not gonna win.
I'm not wise and secret.
Y'all, so we are done. The top one is the toffee with the white mocha.
Mocha.
The least one is the strawberry puree. But we hope we hope that y'all enjoyed the video. So y'all, that concludes our video. We hope that you like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll catch y'all on the next video. Tell them bye.
Bye.
See y'all later.